So how we doing, guys? Welcome back to Shifting Gears, and in today's video I'm going to be going through the top 5 modifications that you should do to your first car or second car, whatever car it may be. So as you see, got this bad boy Corsa VXR. So this video is aimed at new time drivers. We got a Ford, Vauxhall, Peugeot, Clio, whatever it may be. If you want your car looking like a pussy magnet, make sure you stay tuned for this video and let's get it. First modification, guys, that I personally think you should have on your car is wind deflectors. Now I think these make the car look a lot more better. They make the car stand out more. So you can buy these for, I think these are about 20 to 30 pounds. You can get them off Amazon, eBay. You can even go to a breaker's yard and get them. I mean, they're easy to install. Obviously these are Team Heco wind deflectors. You can also get like pinstripe to add on to that. So obviously I've got the red pinstripe to add on to that. To make the car look a lot more aggressive, makes the car stand out more. And obviously overnight you could also leave the windows open a bit, so let a bit of fresh air into your car. So when you get wind deflectors, guys, obviously they're easy to fit. You can fit them yourself, you don't really have to go anywhere. You might need some clips to put in, because obviously when you're putting your window up and down, sometimes the window don't go fully up. That's the problem I've had with mine. That's the first modification. You definitely need wind deflectors on your car, so make sure, guys, wind deflectors. Now guys, you've got your wind deflectors now, your car's looking all sick. Now what you need is LED Footwell Lights, so follow me around a moment. Personally, I think these Footwell Lights just look really good, so I'm just going to show you how they look. So obviously the lights come on. You can connect these to your battery, obviously. I mean, you got options here to change them, turn them on, off, you can change colour. There's also an app you can get on your phone, over about 1,000 colours. You can buy these off Amazon as well. They're quite cheap. I mean, they're only about 20-30 pounds, but they do transform the interior of your car, so I would highly recommend them. You can buy these off Amazon, eBay. You can get them to any car. You can connect them, like mine, they're connected to the battery. So, I mean, you can connect them to that cigarette light port. As you can see, guys, the LED Footwell Lights do look really good. They transform the look of your car. I mean, there's options here, like I said previously. There's a button here where you can put that where you want, really. You can put that in any spot of the car, but I felt like it was easiest there. But yeah, they do look really good. I mean, in the back as well, we should change the colour to blue. You can see them in the back. Obviously we've got the boost gauge as well, which really goes well, contrast with the blue. So yeah, I'd highly recommend, make sure you get LED Footwell Lights. So the third modification, guys, that I suggest you get on your car is a SunStrip. So obviously I've got a matte black SunStrip with a VXR Performance logo. So I mean, you can pick these up for about 10 to 30 pounds. I mean, they're cheap. The one thing you need to make sure that you do correct is don't put the SunStrip too low, because obviously it can block your visibility at night when you're driving. But I mean, you can fit this yourself as well, or you could go to a garage and get it professionally fitted, but I went to someone to fit mine. I mean, it does look really good. I mean, you can get any colours, like you can get plain black ones, you can get these off eBay, Amazon. Like I said previously, you can get them for about 10 to 30 pounds, depending on which one you want. I mean, there's loads of different ones out there, like for BMW, Mercedes, Ford, Vauxhall. There's literally loads. It transforms the whole car from the front, I believe. It looks a lot better. Obviously I've got VXR Performance on this. We've got one on the ST as well, that's got Ford Performance just in the corner at the bottom there. But yeah, highly recommend, get a SunStrip on your car, boys, make sure. So moving on to the fourth modification, guys, I'd highly recommend that you get window tints all around. So the front, the back, I just feel like it makes the car stand out a lot more. It looks more slick, it looks more clean. You don't want your car looking like a fish tank, you get me? So make sure you get tints on your car. So obviously I've got limo tints at the back, and then at the front as well I've got tints, just light tints. I mean, when you're getting window tints, the prices may vary. I mean, I think front ones on this were about £60. I went to LA Mods to get mine done, and they do look really good. I'd highly recommend, as a minimum, that get your back ones tinted. I'd say limo, get 5% on the back, because obviously you're going to need some privacy sometimes with your misters and that, you get me? So make sure you get tints, guys. So now moving on to the last modification, guys, the front splitter. Now personally, I think that the front splitter just transforms the whole front of your car. So obviously I went for the Maxon design one. I just feel like it looked a lot better than the TRC. So yeah, guys, highly recommend that you get a front splitter. I mean, Maxon design, it looks a lot better than the TRC on the Corsa VXRs. Even the normal Corsas, I just feel like it fits around the bumper a lot more nicer. It just looks a lot more mean. You don't really have to buy Maxon. I mean, there's a lot of other ones that you can get out there. I mean, this one cost me about £150, and then with the pinstripe as well. I did have one on previously, but obviously I cracked that up bad, so I obviously had to change it. But highly recommend front splitter. You just transform the front of your car. I mean, you can add pinstripe on there as well, which literally looks good. It makes your car look a lot lower as well from the front. It looks a lot more aggressive. So as you can see, guys, the front splitter, obviously my car needs a clean. It's a bit dirty, but just looks really good from the front. I mean, without a front splitter, it's like the missing piece of the car, isn't it? It just looks really good. It looks a lot lower as well. Like, obviously the only problem is, you know, when you're going over speed bumps and stuff, you have to go slow, like, especially with me because my car's lowered. But it just sets the car off from the front. It looks really good. So, I mean, you can get TRC front splitters, Maxon design, they're about 100. I mean, you can even get second-hand ones. Obviously, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and obviously, if someone's breaking a car similar to yours, then just buy one off them. I mean, when you buy a front split, obviously, if you buy it second-hand, you're most likely not going to get the bolts with it. But I mean, they're not hard to fit. I mean, you need a drill, 3 screws and bolts, and that's about it. I mean, they're not hard to fit. Obviously, I went to get mine done from a garage because my previous one was literally stuck. The bolts were corroded as well, so I obviously had to go to a garage. But you can even do this yourself. All you need is a jack, and that's it really. Yeah, guys, you've got your front splitter now. What you need to add onto your car now is the side skirts. So obviously I've got Maxon design side skirts on my car. As you can see, I've got the red pinstripe on there. Obviously my car's a bit dirty, but it needs a clean. I've also got the rear spats on the car, so obviously Maxon design rear spats on both sides, which do look really good. They change the whole look of the car. And to add on to that, guys, I've also got the Maxon design spoiler lip, which I'll show you right now. And personally, I just think it looks really good. Like, if you got a spoiler on your car, the lip just looks really good. Obviously, it looks like a spaceship, man, preparing for takeoff, you get me? So yeah, guys, they're just add-ons, extras. Obviously, the main thing is you get a front splitter, but this lip just looks really good. Maxon design. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Them are the top 5 modifications that I think you should have on your car. Whether it's your first car, second car, any car, I think that these modifications just make your car look a lot more better, a lot more aggressive. And obviously the cheap, affordable mods as well that you can add onto your car. I mean, they're not too expensive. So yeah, hope this video was helpful for you guys. So obviously we've got this Corsa VXR here. In the next video, we will be doing a POV driving this. So me and Fudge are going to take this VXR out. I'm going to fucking bash the tits out of it. I'm going to bash it around Birmingham Road. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, send this to a friend. But yeah, make sure you follow the Instagram as well, shifting_gears with 2 S's. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.